Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Waves. So in our day-to-day programming, we work with strings, right? And the most common operation which we do on a string is string concatenation. It's very common. So before Java 8, the string concatenation was a headache actually for the developers. There are some hassles which the developer used to face. For example, if we are trying to iterate through a array list of strings, and if we are manually delimiting it by a comma, so after the for loop, what happens is the string has this extra comma at the end, and the developer will have to go and find the last index of the comma and then remove it manually. So these were some of the hassles. There are also other hassles which the developer used to face. So after Java 8, you can say hello to string joiner. Okay, this is a new class in java.util package which will really make string concatenation a piece of cake. So in this video I am going to talk about string joiner class, and we'll also see a practical example on this. So please stay with me guys. Yeah, so let's talk about string joiner. So before that, this is the definition which I picked from the Oracle documentation. So string joiner is used to construct a sequence of characters separated by a delimiter and optionally starting with a supplied prefix and ending with a supplied suffix. Okay, so this is the actual definition. So it basically says that we can join a sequence of characters with a delimiter, let's say comma or colon, that's your wish. And also if you want, you can have a prefix and suffix to a string. So a starting character and an ending character. Okay, so coming to constructors, there are two constructors only for string joiner. One is using the delimiter and another is a delimiter and a prefix and a suffix. So these two constructors we have. I will exactly give you a practical example to use both of these. Okay, so enough of talking, let's create a class and your new class, and we call it string joiner demo. Okay, and okay, I need the main method also, and let's wait till it refreshes. Okay, so there you go, there is a class for us. And let's say you have three strings, s1 equal to, let's say, hello, and string s2 equal to tech. Okay, and we have string s3 equal to waves. Okay, so now I have three strings and I'm going to define a string joiner sj equal to new string joiner. So if you have seen the slides, I have shown you that there are two constructors. One is with the delimiter and another is with the delimiter and a prefix and a suffix. So let's go with the delimiter first. So I want to delimit it by a comma. Okay, so and what we are doing is, let's print this. So sj dot add, you have to call the add method to concatenate. Okay, and what is the string you want to add? s1 dot add, I would say, so this would be s2 and dot add again, and this would be s3. Okay, I save it and I run as Java application. Okay, and if you see, the comma was, since the delimiter is comma, the three strings is delimited by comma. So, and if you see, if we are let's say if these three are in an array list and we are doing a manual concatenation of comma, we had the comma would also appear at the last, but with string joiner we don't need to do that. It already handles that. It knows that after the last I don't have to concatenate comma. Okay, so this is the first part, first constructor. Let's see, my requirement now is to have a braces here, curly braces here, and a curly braces here. Okay, so how I can do that is to provide by providing a prefix. This is my prefix. Okay, and the second one is the suffix. Okay, I save this and I run this. So if you see, there is a prefix and a suffix. So no matter how many strings you add, the prefix and suffix is only for the first and end. So it gracefully handles all those things. So yeah, so this was a live example for the string joiner, and you can play with it. You can actually go ahead and see all the methods in this. It has few methods. You can go to documentation and check. I hope this video was helpful, and if you liked it, please like it and do subscribe guys for more content. Thanks.